back, baby. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another recipe on Cook with Cartea. Yeah, y'all seen that thumbnail? Y'all see what we're doing today. We're gonna be doing those party wings, and we're gonna oven bake them, or you could throw them in the air fryer, it's up to you. And then, the special part about this recipe is we're gonna make that honey jerk glaze. It's football season, Super Bowl is coming up, making a few appetizers, you know what I'm saying? And y'all can throw this one on the list. Bring this to the Super Bowl party. Now look, let me go ahead and show y'all these ingredients that we got. Of course, we got our wings. We had whole wings and we just went ahead and chopped them up into the party wings. Cleaned those, lightly seasoned them already. Now, what we did was we cleaned them up. After we cleaned them up, we threw some salt on there and then we put them in the fridge for about 2 hours to kind of let that salt draw out that moisture, because we want a crispy skin. Even though we baking, we not frying, the key to a crispy skin is making sure that you dry them out. Dry the wings out. Either pat them dry with a paper towel, or like I said, you throw that salt on there, throw them in the fridge, and let that salt draw out that moisture. That's exactly what it's gonna do. So, yeah, we got the wings right there. Now, we got our seasoning over here. We got some jerk seasoning. We got some dry thyme. We got that Walkerswood marinade right there. We got some honey. We got some roasted garlic paste right here. Right here, we got liquid ginger. So you could, I just seen this at the store and it just looked interesting, but this is similar to a ginger paste. We got a fresh lime back here. We got some ground allspice. We got some soy sauce. And then we just got some butter. So look, first thing that we're gonna do is we already got the oven preheated, 400 degrees. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and get these chicken wings ready to go into the oven. All right, y'all, so first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and we just gonna get this chicken ready to go ahead and go in the oven. Preheated at 400 degrees. So we're gonna throw a little oil on there. Like I said, they already lightly seasoned with all-purpose seasoning. We're gonna throw some jerk seasoning on there. And then we're just gonna throw some dry thyme on there too. Now, like I said, they was already lightly seasoned in that all-purpose seasoning. So that's already on there. So now, all you're gonna do is take these, we're gonna put these in the oven. Oven is at 400 degrees, and we're gonna leave these in here for about 20-25 minutes. Halfway through, we're gonna flip them over so you know we can get an even cook on both sides. So yeah, let's go ahead and get these in the oven. All right, y'all. So like I say, we're gonna be making our own honey jerk sauce. Now, first thing that we're gonna start off with is some butter. You know, we got a little saucepan right here. So we got our butter. We're on a low heat. We want to let this butter melt down nice and slow. Now our butter is going to continue to melt. As it does, we're going to go ahead and start coming in with our other ingredients. And the first one is going to be some honey. Just kind of stir it in a little bit. We're on a low medium. All right, next thing, we're going to come in with that roasted garlic paste. Give it a squeeze, get that in there. That liquid ginger. Soy sauce. The jerk sauce. Just mix this in a little bit. Now, the rest of our ingredients, we're gonna add the juice of 1 lime. Then we're gonna add jerk seasoning, dry thyme, some of that ground allspice. Then we just gonna add all-purpose seasoning. Give this a mix. Taste as you go. Kill the heat. Because now, you know, we just working with the little heat that we got left. You know, it's just gonna be a real low simmer. Felt like it needed a little bit more honey, so I added some honey. Make sure you taste it. Just add whatever you feel like is necessary for you to add. But that's it. That's how we make that honey jerk sauce. Now all we gotta do, wait for those wings to come out. And y'all gonna see what happened next. All right, y'all, so after about 30, 35 minutes in the oven, we did flip them at about 20 minutes. There go your wings right here. And then also what we did was for about 5 minutes, we put it on a high broil just so we can get that crispy skin. All right, y'all, so we got our bowl right here. We're just gonna go ahead and take these wings, put them in our bowl. Now you could do a few at a time, depending on how many you got. Got our wings. Now we got that honey jerk. We're gonna go ahead and toss these wings in this sauce. We're gonna hold just a little bit back though. We ain't gonna use them all right now. Just hold a little bit back. And now, I'm gonna toss these. Make sure they all coated nice and good. Let's go ahead and plate these up. Garnish on there. A little bit more of the marinade on there. All right, y'all. So look, we done. Super easy. Let's not even waste no more time. Let's go ahead and get us a taste test. Now, I gotta mess with the drums. Yeah. Whether you a drum person or you a flat person, it don't even matter. That sauce on there, yeah. Let me get a tea. All right, y'all. So, yet again, that's another recipe in the books. Look, make sure y'all spread that word. Keep telling people we on this channel making fire recipes. Ain't none of these recipes gonna let y'all down. Make sure y'all make those wings. Like I said earlier, it's Super Bowl season. Or even if you got a little event or something like that coming up where you need to make some finger food, look, you in charge of the wings, make sure you make that honey jerk sauce on the side of it. Look, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate all the love that I've been getting on this channel. We're gonna keep cooking and we're gonna keep coming with these fire recipes. So make sure y'all stay tuned. Look, I appreciate y'all and I thank y'all always for tuning in and cooking with me. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and get back to the rest of these wings. I'm gonna see y'all on the next recipe, Cook with Cartea.